Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to replace Nissan Armada Headlight, updated. Park on level ground, disconnect the negative battery terminal, and have a 10mm socket, trim tool, and gloves ready. Start by removing trim clips and the bumper fasteners to access the headlight housing. Keep track of each screw and snap a photo for reference. Unplug the wiring harness, swap the bulb or assembly, then test the beam before reinstallation. Begin by loosening all visible screws and removing plastic clips that hold the bumper and trim. Work methodically so clips do not break and keep parts organized in labeled containers. Use a flat tool to gently pry connectors and press retention tabs without forcing them. Once the housing is accessible, disconnect the wiring harness and remove the assembly. Inspect mounting points for damage and clean any debris that could affect fitment or alignment. Place the new headlight assembly into the vehicle, aligning tabs and mounting points before tightening fasteners. Reconnect the wiring harness and ensure seals sit flush to prevent moisture ingress. Hand start bolts first, then torque evenly to avoid stress on the plastic. Reinstall bumper clips and trim in reverse order, then reconnect the battery. Turn on both high and low beams to verify operation and adjust aim if the beam pattern appears uneven or too high.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.